that's why I guess it's kind of like this strange weather has kind of got me on guard because you know it's been a long time since we've had
and
it.
everything looks really beautiful right now.
Right, exactly.
Yeah, so
that's kind of how Andrew was. It was like everything was.
Because I remember being out on top of my roof the day before, and I'm just looking, and I'm like, I planted a hammock on it half like this, and it was gorgeous. It was absolutely gorgeous.
This weather is something. The lightning we're getting right now is cool.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh man, there's bolts in there. It's great. You actually have to be kind of close to the storm to really see it, because you can see it off in the distance and it doesn't capture it. You gotta be underneath it. Well, I'm sorry you had bad weather.
Oh, well, that's okay.
mean,
It's
you know,
nature. It's nature.
It's whenever you see these tornadoes and
Yeah,
they go
look,
right through the south, and
when I see what's going on around, I'm like, I'm very well. So a little bit of here or there is not going to be.
wow, you got a mighty yard.
Oh yeah. I
Wow.
think this was after.
Wow. You like live in a hammock.
Yeah.
Literally. That's cool.
I've been here 28 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's really like coming
I was just
full.
hiking in a big cypress on this trail, and it looks
nice.
just like that.
Yeah, this is what
wow,
I'm going
that's
for.
cool. That's awesome.
I'm trying to find
That's a
it.
lot of work. Good for you. That's
There we
beautiful.
go.
Wow.
Okay, this is that storm. It's going to come through now.
Very cool.
I had my garage door open.
That's some big drops. Very big drops.
It's going to start.